here at InfoComm 19 at the HT-Based T Alliance. I'm joined by Gus Pohl from Silvertel. Gus, thanks for joining me this morning.
Thank you, thanks for having me.
Great, so tell us a little bit more about Silvertel and also your role there.
Okay, so Silvertel are a UK manufacturer of PoE and power modules. We design and manufacture in the UK, and I'm the marketing manager who looks after the US, the China and Taiwan markets.
All right, and how are you solving problems for integrators?
So we actually sell to the suppliers to the integrators.
Oh.
So it makes our PoE modules are integrated into things like the cameras, the intercom systems, the microphones, all to make their installation easier just with a single cable.
So apart from power, what else does the new PoE standard help solve?
So PoE is generally the power, but now the new standard actually allows higher power, up to 100 watts, which means they can power more power-hungry things. But also it provides it over both pairs, and those can be used to power one or two devices. They can be used independently. So things like a camera could be powered by a 5 volt camera could be powered, and then an optional LED, infrared LED, 12 volt infrared LED could come from the other second pair. As well as the extra power, that extra power has been put in steps. So there's more classification built into the signature. PoE has a signature which communicates to the switch, tells it what power it wants, and tells it that it wants power. So as part of that classification, there's those extra levels to tell the switch how much power that device wants. So it enables the switch to do power management on all of its ports.
Okay, so with all the advantages that PoE offers, why should folks at InfoComm come learn more about your solutions?
So our solutions, they should be asking for PoE devices more, and it makes them real easy to install. And our devices are the best because they're the smallest, they're the most compact. They provide a total solution. So the manufacturers of these equipment, our small modules provide the classification, the signature, isolation, using an isolation transformer, and then a DC to DC conversion to provide the power to power that powered device, all in one small package.
So in terms of the size advantage, can you give us an idea of how much significantly smaller these are versus other solutions?
So this solution at the moment is the smallest we have. It goes up to 9 watts. If you were to design it, most people who design it themselves or our competitors, generally their solution is about 3.5 times bigger than that device. So as you say, it's very small.
Other advantages that we haven't spoken about yet?
Other advantages of PoE in general, because it's very simple and easy to use, it's a single cable. You can plug and unplug it. You can move the installation to another location very simply just by moving the cable, and it doesn't require anyone technical to install. It's a standard cable, so if the cable gets damaged, you can buy that cable very cheaply from any supermarket or electronics store, and then just plug the same cable in. Other applications for PoE are growing now, and just makes it easy to install.
So tell me more about these applications.
So with the higher power, we've got applications such as digital display screens from, say, 15 watts, which would be the old standard, up to 47, 50 watts. And as their efficiency will grow with designs now, those sizes may get bigger and bigger. Other things are, there's a lot of AI applications. They use big processors, so those processors are power hungry. So those applications like maybe AI cameras or thing where the computing is done actually in the device, so it needs more power. And previously, our main sort of focus used to be sort of security markets, so door access systems and security cameras, stuff like that. So as maybe higher power will give you a bigger cameras and things.
And do you see the applications extending into broader markets?
Broader markets. This new standard will also allow LED lighting. It has a lower a lower standby power. So LED lighting is a feature that may come into being.
Great. So what can people expect to see next from Silvertel?
Next from Silvertel, more devices, maybe smaller, higher power, lower cost. We're constantly redesigning to either add features or reduce the cost of the product so that we can sell more and more in the market and provide people with a very simple solution.
Okay, where can people learn more?
Come to silvertel.com.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
I'm Lindsay Adler with AV Nation. I'm here with Gus Pohl from Silvertel. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.